I walked through my front door today and heard a quiet, gentle hum, the sound of my new LG CLOiD at work. In the kitchen, it moved with surprising grace, loading the dishwasher and starting the cycle with a wireless command. This is my home in early 2026, where robots are finally more than a novelty. CLOiD didn't wait for instructions. It already knew the laundry was done and moved to transfer clothes to the dryer. I watched, not in awe, but with appreciation for a tool that just works. My kids call it Clive. It noticed a juice spill and cleaned it up, all on its own. This isn't a Roomba bouncing off walls. It's a robot that observes, understands, and acts. It navigates the unpredictable mess of family life, making decisions in real time. The background noise of my life is shifting from chores to the quiet hum of them being done. I have more time for what matters, helping my kids, tinkering, or just enjoying coffee. This isn't about laziness. It's about reclaiming time. Technology is finally buying back our most valuable resource. The future didn't arrive with a bang, but with a quiet, efficient hum. My home feels different now, less burdened, more alive. The robot is a helper, a tool, and a new kind of presence. It's changing everything about daily life, and it's only the beginning. For years, robots at CES felt like distant prototypes, impressive, but not ready for real homes. They'd fold towels on stage, but we knew they couldn't handle our daily chaos. The promise was always in 5 years, but at CES 2026, the future finally arrived. Companies like LG, 1X, and Unitree announced shipping dates, not just demos. We saw robots navigating cluttered living rooms, picking up toys, sorting messy laundry, live, unscripted, and imperfect. That imperfection made them real. The buzz wasn't just from tech insiders. Families saw real solutions to daily grind. The 1X Neo handled houseplants. SwitchBot Onero H1 synced with smart homes. These were products, not props. The conversation shifted from if to when, and when is now. First units are already shipping to early adopters. Their feedback will refine the next generation and drive down costs. This is no longer science fiction. The home robotics revolution is happening in real homes, right now. The era of embodied AI has begun. The first chapter is being written by ordinary people. The future is here. What sets these new robots apart from old smart gadgets? Embodied AI. For years, AI was just code in the cloud, powerful, but bodiless. ChatGPT can write a poem, but it can't pick up a sock. Embodied AI changes that by giving AI a body, sensors, cameras, microphones, and touch. Now, AI can see, hear, and interact with the world. It learns by doing, not just by reading data. It knows a closed door is an obstacle, a wet floor is slippery, and a cat isn't a toy. Unlike simple automation, embodied AI operates on see, think, do. It adapts on the fly. If you leave a backpack out, it cleans around it. This flexibility makes robots truly useful at home. Factories are predictable, homes are chaos. Embodied AI gives robots the cognitive skills to handle that. It's not just running a program, it's solving real problems. The endless list of chores is finally being tackled by a machine that can learn. This is the leap from automation to true assistance. Home robotics is a race, not a monopoly. LG's CLOiD is a polished, reliable assistant, integrating seamlessly with appliances. 1X's NEO, backed by OpenAI, learns by watching humans, making it versatile and adaptive. SwitchBot Onero H1 excels at smart home integration. Unitree's G1 is affordable and athletic, hinting at robots for tougher tasks. Tesla's Optimus and Boston Dynamics Atlas are pushing industrial boundaries, but their tech is trickling down fast. Competition is driving rapid innovation. Some focus on affordability, others on intelligence or user experience. We'll see a range of robots for different needs and budgets. The class of 2026 is laying the foundation for robots as common as dishwashers. The diversity is what will make this revolution stick. The robots in our homes have roots in military and disaster tech. Defense agencies like DARPA pushed robotics to handle tough, unpredictable environments. Navigating rubble or rescuing survivors required the same skills as tidying a messy house: mobility, manipulation, and perception. The tech that let robots survive war zones now helps them survive toddlers. Military funding solved the hardest engineering problems, making consumer robots possible. GPS, the internet, even microwaves started as defense projects. Once proven reliable for soldiers, adapting robots for families became feasible. Boston Dynamics Atlas is more than a viral video, it's a stress test for home-ready tech. Ruggedness for the battlefield means reliability for the living room. This unexpected lineage brought the future home faster than anyone predicted. While robots get the spotlight, biotechnology is quietly transforming our lives. Gene editing tools like CRISPR let us rewrite DNA with precision, and AI is accelerating this revolution. AI can predict protein structures and analyze genetic data, turning trial and error into precision design. Today, this tech is curing diseases and improving crops in labs, but it's getting cheaper and more accessible every year. Soon, we'll see personalized health tools at home, smart toilets analyzing health, instant DNA-based diagnostics, and nutrition tailored to your genes. AI, robotics, and biotech are converging. Our homes will not just help with chores, but actively keep us healthy. The next revolution is biological, as much as mechanical. The future home is a hub for well-being. Robots aren't just about chores. They're about transforming daily life. Imagine laundry washed, dried, folded, and put away. Kitchens cleaned after every meal. Floors always tidy. This frees up hours every week for work, family, or rest. In elder care, robots offer daily assistance, medication reminders, and emergency alerts, helping seniors live independently. Robots become the proactive hub of the smart home, dimming lights, closing blinds, and managing groceries without being asked. They learn your routines. Coffee ready in the morning, soccer gear by the door on Tuesdays. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a partner adapting to your family's rhythm. The robot is a silent stage manager, making sure life runs smoothly. Our homes become responsive, helpful environments. The real impact is time and peace of mind. We're not just automating chores, we're redesigning daily life. The future is personal, adaptive, and quietly revolutionary. As exciting as this is, big challenges remain. Cost is the first hurdle. These robots are still expensive, like early PCs or flat-screen TVs. Prices will drop as production scales, but it'll take time. Privacy is a huge issue. Robots gather data from cameras and microphones in our most private spaces. We need strong privacy controls and transparent policies. Ethical questions loom. What about jobs in cleaning and elder care? We'll need retraining and safety nets. Safety is critical. Robots must be rigorously tested for homes with kids and pets. Reliability matters. If robots create more work than they save, they'll fail. The user experience must be seamless and intuitive. Solving cost, privacy, jobs, safety, and reliability is the real work ahead. The hardware is here, but the societal software is still in beta. The revolution's success depends on how we handle these challenges. This is a turning point in our relationship with technology. For the first time, we're inviting intelligent, physical helpers into our homes. These aren't just tools, they're partners we'll live alongside. Our homes will become active environments, freeing us from drudgery and unlocking human potential. We'll have more time for creativity, learning, and connection. Adjustment will take time, new social norms, boundaries, and debates about what these robots mean. But like every transformative technology, they'll become part of daily life. Our children won't remember a world without robotic helpers. This is a domestic revolution, redefining daily existence. We're building tools that give us the freedom to be more human. The quiet hum is here, and a new chapter is beginning. Welcome to the family, robot. Let's get to work.